Hello friends, welcome to Pi Knowledge Tree. Today we are learn about SI unit of gravitational constant. Force of gravitation, attraction between two body of the inverse M1 and M2. R is two body of distance. F is equals to g m1 m2 square, force of universal gravitational. Find the value of g. Find the value of g fr square by m1 m2. F force SI unit of Newton. R distance, two mass between distance is r, so r distance between two bodies, so SI unit is meter. R distance SI unit meter. M1 and M2 mass SI unit of kg. G is equals to Newton meter square kg square. So this simplification of GFR square by M1 and M2. So G is equals to, so F Newton R M square by M1 mass kg into kg. So this simplification is Newton meter square kg square. So gravitational constant is equals to Newton meter square kg inverse square. Numerical value of G. Henry Cavendish is discovered by the gravitational constant numerical values deriving the gravitational constant. Mass of Earth m is equals to 5.975 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Radius of Earth r is equal to 6.371 into 10 to the power 6 meter. An object on the square of the earth is a force due to its object weight. F is equals to mg. So this is earth, this is mass, so this is produced force. F is equals to mg. And object in a surface, F is equals to mg, acceleration due to gravity. Assume that mass and object m is equals to 1 kg. So G is equals to 9.811 Newton. So assume that mass is equals to 1 kg, so that F is equals to 1 into 9.811. F is equals to G m1 m2 by r square. Force of gravitation. This is force force of gravitation. (9.811) is equals to G. 9.811 is equals to G m1 m2 by r square. G is equals to 9.811 into r square by m1 m2. So this numerical value of simplification, that 9.811 into r square, radius of earth 6.37 into 10 to the power 6 into whole square, and mass m1 is earth, and m2 force, object of mass 1 kg. Mass of earth is 5.972 into 10 to the power 24, and mass of earth in surface 1 kg. So G is equals to this simplification value of 398.225 into 10 to the power 12 by 5.972 into 10 to the power 24. So this simplification is here. So G is equals to 6.6704 into 10 to the power minus 12. So this simplification value of 6.6704 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square kg inverse square. So this is value of gravitational constant, numerical value. Thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe and share.